Ang drinks na gagawin natin is, I've never made it before. So, medyo unique siya kasi yung drinks merong lemongrass. So, nakita ko lang to sa friend ko sa high school. Nag-post siya. So, I'm interested. So, nag-message ako. So, tinanong ko kung anong recipe, anong ginawa niya, ganyan-ganyan. Since marami akong lemongrass, since I have a lot of lemongrass. So, yun na lang ang gagamitin natin. So, punta tayo sa garden maya-maya. And we will harvest lemongrass. So, ayan, punta na tayo sa garden. Kasakit sa mga berries na nusok. So, kanisya na lang atong idton. Ang tomatiyos, nagkuhan ko. Ito nato ni siya tanan. Ay, gahit hindi eh. That's my lemongrass. Gahi kay sa ibton bayo. Ginoo ko. Ganun pag manguha ta sa silingan sa una, humok man siya. It's a lot of lemongrass, guys. Tapos wala man ko'y pipino. I don't have cucumber, so madto ko sa vegetable stand sa masilingan. Baligya sila. Mamalitag pipino niya. So, ayan. Hugasan lang natin. Hey! Kapag sa kaog-naog. Daghan kay glamok sa garden. Okay, so we have a big pot here. Dito tayo mag-boil ng ng lemongrass. My friend is very specific. He said 2 liters, I think, with to a 20 stalks, I think. Is that what you call it? And I had a tawag stalks of lemongrass. But since I have a lot, then I'm just gonna eyeball it. Okay, so I have a funny story about this lemongrass. You know, growing up, you know how hard life is. Sometimes we could not afford to buy meat. So we always cook soup from the garden and stuff like that. And then, you know, kids, we love to complain. Like, it's always this soup. It's always vegetables. We're sick of fresh vegetables growing up. But now I take it for granted. Here, fresh vegetables, it's so expensive. But back home, it's cheap. We can just get it in the garden if you grow vegetables. So anyways, so our parents, ako na lang i-English ha, kay kabalo naman ta, as Filipinos, we know this story. For sure, na-experience po ninyo. So, our parents make soup or any other dish, vegetables. And then, we like to complain, like, where's the meat? Why it's always vegetables? You know, kids, we don't understand how hard life is. So, our parents will say, there's a drumstick in your soup or in your food. There's a drumstick there. So, my siblings and I were like having a contest. We're competing who's going to the pot first to get the drumstick, because for sure if there's a drumstick, it's not gonna be enough for everyone, so we're like fighting over it. So when we check in the pot, we check for the drumstick. You know what we found? It's it's lemongrass. Do you see? It looks like a drumstick. So this is how we tie the lemongrass there when we cook. And it does look like a drumstick. So our parents said there's a drumstick. So we got fooled, you know. It's just fun. Like, it's not funny because it's sometimes we really couldn't afford. But, and even nowadays, you know, there's people, you know, dili lang kakuan. But just reminiscing the past. It's just fun. But yeah, so ano na siya. So ipasok rin mo siya diha imong kamot. Diha imong tudlo. And then you're just gonna put it like that. And here's your drumstick. Dukdukon lang nato ang tumoy because the juice are here. So, ato ka lang siyang So, first time na ko na siya himuon. First time making it and I don't know what's the name of this drink too. Wing, mate, unsay name ani? So, yan siya. Takpan lang natin. Then, let's check our kamatis. Murag may plano ang duha. Palit na kong pepino, guys. Luna, go inside, Luns. I'll be back. Bye, Mas. Bye, Bear. I'll be back. Munta na sila pepino. Teka po yung nag-adtog layo. Ayan na siya. Unta na ay. So, ayan guys. Nakabili ako ng maliliit na lang siya. Wala na. Last batch na lang daw to. So, that's okay. So, ganahan kayo ito silang Bombay Ibita. I will get more when I get back. So, ayun. Sa kwanto siya guys. Like, kanang sa Amish vegetable stand. Lamig ito kay video. Cute kay mga bata. Pero bawal man guna sa ilang kultura pag kanang i-video na sila. So, mga gulay na lang akong gabidyo. Mga nindot ka na sila mga kuan. Silingin na mo doon na dari alam. Ika na sila mga garden. Kay mama na ilahang kuan. Pamumuhay. Siya. Ganahan kay ko ba sa onion. Galing nga ka na sa lapiron. Inana. Alam kay ibitay sa kusina. Nagpalit pa ko anak. Check lang natin. Dalawa na ito. Kulang pa siya. Tama na ba ka? Ay! Salaon siya. Because we just need a juice. Dugit ang mga... Butang na to siya dire guys. Yan. Tapos final product, dire na to ibutang. Humot siya. So, muna siya. Ato lang ano lang nato dara. O, nag-agas pa man siya. Tama ba na akong gibuhat, weng? Tanaw na to. Abangan. Itong kuhaon. Tama ba na akong gibuhat, mate? Tama man siguro ni siya. It's so beautiful. It's so green. I love green. It's my favorite color. So, same process, Ana. So, ingon si Lowell, ano daw? Mas nindot nga na ay mga pulp pa siya gamay kay para kuan pod. Kaso diri ang mga arte maguni sila og mga kuan consistency dili sila ganahan pag naa sila ma-feel nga mga chu ano. Sulayan ako nga na ipap, sulayan pod nga wala. So unsay the best. So, dapat big batch jud ang ginahimo ano wing kay kuti. Pero, thinking na lemongrass, tapos cucumber, tapos lemon juice, simple syrup. I don't know what alcohol I'm gonna put in. I don't know if I wanna put vodka or gin or rum or we'll see. Maybe vodka. Di na lang jud pwede mag-juice no, kailangan jud butang alcohol party. Pero nice idea man pud good. Hay eh. So, ayan na siya. Look at that, it's very green. I'm excited. Alright. I feel like I'm going to church. Alright. There's no name. I'm gonna make... I don't know what to say. Hold on. Okay. So this... No, this is not mine. Okay. So, this drink that I'm making is from my friend Louie Labastida from Lupon, from Front Yard. I saw his post on Facebook about the drink that he made. Yung what's the English? Yeah, it's a healthy drink. But you know me, I always spike it. So yeah, so it's a good idea for cocktail. So yeah, I have the lemongrass water. So I had a video earlier, right? Oh, you can watch the whole video in my YouTube channel how I did it. And Tita York from New York. So, like and subscribe. So, this is the cucumber and water. So, I just blend it and then take out the juice, strain it. Is that what it is, right? Yeah.
But how did you make the lemongrass? Or
I just
lemongrass
boil it.
tea?
Yeah, yeah.
Did you chop up the
Di ka nagpangutana, uy, akong gihikot.
Or you made the whole knot?
Yes, yeah. And then fresh squeezed lemon juice. And yeah, so that's no, simple syrup. Where's simple syrup? And Seaweed Joe's homemade simple syrup. So we don't know the ratio of these drinks. We just tansya it. We just, but we decided.
We got an idea.
Yeah. So we decided. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to make it. Hopefully it tastes good.
And maybe if this doesn't work out, we'll change it.
Yeah. So kung dili siya lami, amo ang ilisan ang ratio. Kung ano ni, murag invent lami kay kang Lowell, juice na iya ha. So ako kay butangan man din nato makahubog. So in a glass, just put ice. And then there's a wood cup. Ano the pagbuot lagi na siya. An ounce of simple syrup, right? An ounce of simple syrup. I'm just gonna put that in there. Ay, hindi siya makita. Yan. So, an ounce of simple syrup. An ounce of lemon juice. Fresh squeeze is always the best. And then
Doesn't matter. You fill up the top, well, half and half of.
so I don't have no, the vodka. And a shot of vodka. Undang. I told you it's
Oh, that's also.
ounce and a half of vodka. So you're just gonna fill it half and half. Half of the ay, kuratan mo sa tayo. And half of the cucumber. That really looks pretty. And then ukayun. Siya. Ukayun lang siya para ang simple syrup goes mix. Halo-halo daw. Halo. So, it really looks pretty. Ayan. It matches my dress and
Looks like seaweed.
ano itong garnish? The garnish is here. So I have the what is that? The cucumber and the lemon. Ayan, yung talamig siya. Cheers. So, cheers. Uy. Oy, it's really good. Lami siya. It's very refreshing. And bring thank you from Front Yard. And this is, I don't know, like, okay, guys, if you have a, you can taste the, no, I can. The cucumber, the lemongrass.
Lemongrass is lemon juice.
Maybe we just adjust the,
I don't even know why we put lemongrass.
they're different taste, actually. They're both different. Sumuka na siya. Oh. So, ulamay siya, mate. And I think, you know, lemongrass has a lot of health benefits. So, this is good for you guys. So, this is good. Naramdaman ko kami
You're
nagyari.
about 10 of those. Be healthy.
Samok kayo si Eric. Minom daw siya mga napulo ka baso kay healthy guro sa iya. Yeah. It's really good. Yeah? Yeah. Thanks, Wing. Thank you, mate. Ah, we don't have a name yet, so if you have a suggestion what to name this drink, comment down below. Right? Bye. Cheers. Thank you guys so much, and I hope you enjoy watching my videos. And please don't forget to like and subscribe.